Google Classroom is an easy-to-use learning management system that helps teachers to connect with students. Using Google Classroom, you can create classes, invite students, distribute assignments, grade and send feedback, and create discussion boards. Using Google Classroom, students can collaborate on group projects or complete assignments on their own. To access Google Classroom, you have to be signed into your Google account. Once you're signed into your Google account, you can go to classroom.google.com. Now you're ready to create your class. To create a class, you have to start by pressing the plus button. Then you can choose a class name, a section, a subject, and a room, and press Create. There are two ways you can invite students to your class. First, you can go to the People tab and click Add Students and invite them using their email address. You can also copy an invite link and email this to your students so that they can access your classroom. In addition to inviting students, you can also invite teachers to collaborate in your class. To add a second teacher to your class, you would just press Invite Teachers and then type in their email. In the next application task, you will be logging onto Google Classroom, creating your own Google Classroom, and inviting 3 teachers to your Google Classroom by adding them as students to your class. You should also invite your instructor to your class using the Teacher tab.